Windows security settings you must turn on right away. Windows 11 is known for its security protection, but these settings are not turned on by default, and if you refuse or if you do not turn it on, it will not serve the purpose on your device. These settings are in your device and it's free of charge. You don't need to waste money on buy any third-party apps or programs before you can install this Windows. Just watch this video to the end. If you find this video helps you, please subscribe. Number 1, enable enhanced phishing protection. To do this, you need to click on the start button, click on settings, go to privacy and security, click on it, click on Windows security. Now under Windows security, locate what is called apps and browser control and click on it. Then locate reputable based protection, this button, click on it. Make sure that this button, smart screen for Microsoft Edge, is turned on. If it is off on your device, click on it and turn it on. This is one of the ways you can highly and literally protect your Windows without any third-party apps for free. Number 2, turn on ransomware protection. This is very simple as well. It is free and inbuilt on your Windows PC. Right click on the start icon or menu icon, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down to this place until you have access to ransom protection. This is ransomware protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Now control folder access. This button must be enabled. You must turn it off. Protect files, folder and memory area of your device from unauthorized change by unfriendly application. Click on this button, then click on yes. Then you are good to go. Now close this page. Close this page as well. This takes us to the number 3 settings you need to enable. Disable advertising and tracking on your device. Microsoft sends adverts to your device and it's somehow annoying. So to deal with this is very simple as well. Click on this start menu button, click on settings. Now go ahead and click on privacy and security. Now go ahead and click on what is called general here. Now if these buttons are turned on, make sure you turn them off on your device. This prevents Microsoft from sending ads or adverts to your computer and prevents them from tracking all your activities. And as well, this is also a free version of protection you can use on your Windows PC. The next one is what is called enable core isolation or memory integrity. This is very simple and it might not be available on your PC, but if it does, then you are good to go. How do you do this? It's very simple. Right click on the start menu button, click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on privacy and security. Now go ahead and click on Windows security. Once you click on Windows security, then click on device security. Click on device security. Once you click on device security, you see what is called core isolation. You can see here on this device is not available, but if it does, here is how it looks like. Go ahead and click on this button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, then it comes out like this. Then you are good to go. Now close this page. The last but not the least here is to be sure that your operating system is running on the latest version at all time, because this is one of the best way you can protect your device, your activities, your files on your computer from hackers. Then you need to make sure that you enable Windows automatic update on your device. Then go ahead and click on start menu button here, click on settings. Then scroll down to this page, click on Windows update. Under Windows update, then scroll down to get to advanced option, click on it. Once you click on advanced option, make sure that this button is turned on. Receive update for other Microsoft product, turn it on. Make sure you turn it on. Once this button is turned on, then each time you have a new update on your device, then Microsoft will download and be able to install this as soon as possible. So these 5 good settings put in place to perfectly protect your computer from theft or hackers, even with the used built-in apps on Windows computer. And if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. That's what you can do for me, guys, to motivate me. Thank you. See you soon on our next video.